In this video, I'll show you how to create an Aviator Predictor bot for Telegram. Keep in mind that no bot can guarantee 100% accurate predictions, but this tutorial will help you understand how predictions bots work. So first, on your Telegram, search for BotFather. So as you can see here, I already searched for BotFather. Now, click the BotFather and then click the start button in here, and now use the command like slash new bot, and in here they will ask you please choose a name for your bot. So I will name it as Calcifer. Sorry for that. So Calcifer. And now let's choose a username for your bot. It must be in bot dot like this for like, okay, so we'll name it as Calcifer bot dot. And sorry, this original name is invalid, so we'll try another one. So Calcifer bot. Okay, Calci CC Calcifer bot. Okay, so as you can see in here, we've successfully created a bot in here. Now copy the API token because you'll need this for later. So this is the API. And now Aviator games don't provide direct API. So you might need a web scraping like Python libraries like Selenium or Beautiful Soap to extract past game results and then capture game patterns manually over time. So warning, many sites consider automated data scraping a violation of their terms of services. So proceed with caution. So now, to implement a prediction algorithm, while Aviator is a random player try pattern analysis to guess potential trends. You can use historical game data to identify trends, apply basic probability models like analyze crash points and frequencies, integrate AI models like machine learning with TensorFlow, or scikit-learn for advanced predictions. Now, if you're using a PC, you'll need a server or a cloud service like Heroku to run the bot continuously. You will need to access or use a code to run the bot continuously. And that's it. You can code the Telegram bot using Python. So you can search it to Google. And then after that, assumingly you've successfully code a bot here in Telegram if you're using a PC, save the script as bot.py and run it using Python. Host it in Heroku, Replit, or a VPS to keep online. And then after that, you can test and improve the bot by inviting the bot to a private Telegram group for testing, adjusting the algorithm based on real-time game results, and optimize responses for better engagements. And that's it. That's how you can create a basic Aviator Predictor bot on Telegram. Remember that no bot can predict results with 100% accuracy. This is just for educational purpose, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.